Reconnect the water supply to the newly installed toilet by carefully attaching the supply line to the shutoff valve and testing for a steady, leak-free flow. Begin by confirming the shutoff valve is fully closed, then position the supply line so the threaded end aligns straight with the valve outlet to avoid cross-threading. If you have a compression fitting, make sure the ferrule and nut are seated correctly on the pipe. Slide the nut and ferrule onto the pipe. Push the pipe fully into the valve body or supply line inlet. Then hand tighten the nut until it is snug. After hand tightening, use an adjustable wrench to turn the nut an additional quarter to half turn. Avoid over-tightening because that can crush the ferrule or deform the valve threads and cause leaks. If your supply uses a flexible braided hose with a built-in gasket, ensure the gasket sits flat inside the hose coupling before threading it onto the valve. Slowly open the shutoff valve 1/4 turn at first and watch for any immediate leaks at the connection point. Then open the valve fully and let the tank fill while observing all joints. Once the tank is full, flush the toilet and inspect again around the supply line, the valve, and the base of the tank for any signs of dripping or moisture. Tighten slightly if a small drip appears and replace the supply line or ferrule if the leak persists. Common mistakes include cross-threading the supply line, which strips threads and creates leaks. So always start threading by hand until you feel smooth engagement, then finish with a wrench. Another frequent issue is over-tightening compression fittings, which can deform the ferrule and cause slow weeping leaks. If you see a small persistent drip after proper tightening, back off, disassemble, inspect the ferrule and nut, and replace the ferrule if damaged. A third concern is failure to seat a hose gasket or ferrule correctly, which leads to leaks when the valve is opened. Remedy this by shutting the valve, disassembling the connection, confirming the gasket is flat and the ferrule is positioned, then reassemble and torque properly. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors for plumbing and other jobs, and we help contractors find leads and work in their area. We also host an active discussion community where we and other users share tips, troubleshooting advice, and real-world experiences on tasks like reconnecting toilet water supplies.